OpenClaw plus Android phone equals AI SMS in 5 minutes. Here's the exact config you need to make it work. How does it work? OpenClaw sends the message to your Android mobile phone that has the SMS MCP server installed. The Android mobile then sends the SMS through the mobile network to the recipient.
What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open-source autonomous AI agent that runs locally on your computer and acts as a personal assistant capable of managing tasks, executing commands, and interacting with apps and messaging platforms. What is an Android SMS Gateway? An Android SMS Gateway is software that provides access to an Android phone's SMS capabilities from a PC, enabling efficient sending and receiving of text messages over cellular networks.
How are the components connected? OpenClaw connects to the Android SMS Gateway using the MCP protocol, where OpenClaw is the MCP client and the Android phone is the MCP server. The Android phone connects to the mobile network via a wireless connection. When an SMS is sent, it first goes from OpenClaw to the Android phone using the MCP protocol, then it is sent to the mobile network by the phone. To set up the solution, first you need to download and install the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway software on your Android mobile. The download URL is in the video description below. After installation, open the app and perform the initial configuration steps. After the app is installed, navigate to the MCP tab. Toggle the switch to start the MCP SMS server for OpenClaw. You will have to give various permissions for the app to allow it to send SMS. Once your Android phone is ready, you're ready to configure OpenClaw. Here is the JSON you need to create. Note that you must put the IP address of your Android phone into this JSON. The next step is to add the SMS MCP server JSON to OpenClaw. Open the configuration file and add the MCP server block. Replace the address placeholder with the correct address of your Android SMS gateway. Now OpenClaw is configured. You are ready to send your first SMS. Open the chat in OpenClaw, type your SMS request, and the Android SMS Gateway will deliver your message. Once the SMS is sent, you can check the logs. Open the Ozeki SMS client app on your Android device and navigate to Settings. Tap Log and select the MCP tab to view the communication between OpenClaw and the Android SMS Gateway. OpenClaw now connects to your Android phone's SMS gateway through the MCP protocol over Wi-Fi, sending real messages without any cloud services or third-party providers. This combination of OpenClaw and the Android SMS Gateway gives you a fast, private, and completely free local messaging solution. Like this video and subscribe for more automation tutorials.